Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're finally going to install the pump. Last video that you guys saw, I was not able to install the pump. So, well, not me, but Mark. So, it is a difficult install. I thought it was easier to take off fuel tank rings, but it's not as easy as they make it seem. So we're taking it to Mark. We're gonna let him struggle with that. But yeah, guys, it's not as simple as it seems, especially if you're trying to do it with your ratchet. It's kind of hard. So we're going to Mark's right now, and hopefully we can get this done, and that way we can be ready to go with that. Just because the thing is, the car does seem to be affected by that fuel pump issue, since it's on the stock pump, and you know, you can't enjoy the full performance that it should have. I know once the fuel pump is changed, it'll make a world of a difference as well. So really looking forward to that, guys. Everyone, and another thing I just want to mention really quick is that I just want to thank you guys. I mean, none of this would be possible without your all support. So I really appreciate your all support. I have surpassed 3,000 subscribers. So man, I am like super happy and excited, because you know, I've been doing this for fun. So it's kind of like, I don't really look into all that stuff. If it happens, it happens, and if it doesn't, you know, I'm fine with it. I'm cool with it. So like I said, I do the channel for fun, because it's like a hobby to me. So definitely, guys, if y'all just share, like, subscribe, it will help out the channel. And I have plans on doing something, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably mention it in one of the upcoming videos. All right, everyone, so I got the tool and we are going to Mark's right now, and just wanted to let you guys see the steering wheel in action. There's the turn signal. There's that beautiful flat part on the bottom, and there was a cop. So I had to put the camera down, well, the phone down. So anyway, yeah, then you get the speedometer there, which is pretty cool because this car does not have a digital speedo on it. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, guys, so let's do a quick little pull. Just a light little pull. A quick shout out to Monthly AutoSense and Pro Clips. You know, Monthly AutoSense, always keeping my car fresh, and Pro Clips, always keeping my phone in place while, you know, I'm out there hooning around. So definitely check them out, give them a follow, and if you need any scents or phone holder, hit them up and let them know I sent you, as well as there's a discount code in the description down below. And here, arriving at Vlogzz Garage, one of my favorite places to be, being very honest with you guys. So we have a V6 here. I wonder if he's gonna get some porting done. I just saw Nafa out there at a tire shop, and yeah, I think everybody's just kind of barely getting here. So we'll see what's up. Right, we arrived here at Mark's. Check this out, this car. Hopefully you'll be watching, you know who you are. Dang, that's loud. Very loud. It's a very cool bird, guys. That's all I'm gonna say about that car. I won't say anything else, because, you know, out of respect. But this is definitely a cool build here as well. All right, guys, so here we have this California Special, and I know the owner of this car. It is a fast car, so that's pretty cool to actually see this one a little more up close. It's auto, and they're getting some work done on this one as well. So I won't go into details because, you know, I haven't asked the owner if I could actually get into details, but definitely this car will be running extremely well. All right, guys, so we got the fuel pump out. Fairly easy, you know, with the tool, of course, that's over there. It is a difficult install. I thought it was easier, and he's got that off, and now he's right there. He's replacing the stock fuel pump to the 400 one. Yes, this is stock fuel pump right there. Pretty small, as you can see. Pretty small. Pretty small, bro. So small. See, fuel pumps taken apart. And actually, I just want to comment on this really quick. This was actually the easiest modification that we've done, and I say we because sometimes I've helped Mark out, and you know, probably the easiest thing we've ever done on my car so far. So hopefully everything else goes smooth, and this will probably go in the books as the easiest install that we've ever done on this car. Have to cut that, but that's a trade secret there, so but it'll make for a very clean install. Pretty cool. That's the, check that out, difference between the stock and the DW pump.
They say you had to cut this off.
Yeah, and he didn't have to, so
well, this is what I did.
That's a clean install, man. Check that out.
I spit on it.
Yeah, there you go. Check that out, man. Clean install right there.
I said, hello, America.
All right, Mark, so what do you got to say for that install, bro? Easiest install, I think, on this 3.7, right? For sure, dude.
It's gonna take 20 minutes.
Didn't even take 20 minutes.
Well,
not even 20,
right,
guys.
When you get the right parts, you got the right tools, though.
Yes, sir. No
but
eBay stuff.
Start improvising, then that's what shit happens.
Yes, sir. So, so that was the easiest install, guys. And with this being said, we're ending the vlog here. Thanks to Vlogzz Garage. If y'all need anything done, headers, gears, anything. Yep. Yes, sir. So anything that you guys need done, and it's not only, it doesn't only work on Mustangs. Here we have he's a general mechanic. He's also working on Escape. So with that being said, guys, we're in the vlog here. Thank y'all for stopping by. Leave a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank y'all. Let's see.